स्पेशल असेंब्ली सेशन जावपाचो आसा टू इलेक्ट न्यू स्पीकर, सो ओपोजिशनाचो कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो.
डेफिनेटली ऑपोजिशन कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो आनीक म्हाका दिसता इन अ फ्यू डेज ऑल दी ऑपोजिशन MLAs वी वील मीट एंड डिसाइड द स्ट्रॅटेजी, बट डेफिनेटली वी वील फील्ड द कॅन्डिडेट. In democracy it is opposition has to be vibrant. आनीक 10 तारखे म्हाका दिसता BAC आपयल्या, so all the MLAs we will discuss together and finalize the candidates.
So ultimately everything boils down to number game. So how you will?
So no, see, it is part of democracy. It is part of democracy that the opposition has to do certain exercises. It is a sign of an healthy democracy. Everything, whatever the ruling does, cannot just be passed just like that. And maka asha that the new speaker that comes, whoever is the new speaker, he has to give an opportunity to both the opposition and the ruling in the same way, because he is the custodian of the house and neutrality needs to be maintained. Yeah, this government is known सिग्नल मारपाक, दौड़ मारपाक, आदालोपाक सारखे माहीर हा. मुखेलमंत्री तितून सारको एक्सपर्ट जालो हा. सो दी ऑनरेबल स्पीकर, whoever is going to be the new speaker, needs to make sure that the opposition are given equal chance.
तुमचे नाव बिन कोणाचे फायनल जाला कॅन्डिडेटचे?
ना, see, नावा प्रश्न नो. First we will all sit together. I will call all the opposition MLAs and then we will discuss and finalize.